welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing special look. Yes, I've never done this before. Actually, I was trying for the first time, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red button there. Yes, let's proceed and go straight to the video and see how we did this look. Yes, step by step.
So today I'm going to create a cat quiz, and as you know, my first thing is to prime my eyeshadow. I've already done my eyebrows, so if you want, I did this video on how I do my eyebrows, so I'll pin that at the end of the video if you want to see that. So let me proceed and prime my lid.
And to base my lid, I'm using LA Girl concealer in the shade beige. So I'll go ahead and tap in this concealer. I will then take my beauty blender and Sasha Buttercup, and I'll just set my lid. Next, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics palette in this shade. I'm going to use this shade as my transition color, so I'll just blend this place here. Next, I'm going to use this palette, Juvia's Masquerade, in this shade here, purple, this purple. So I'll take my micellar water, this one, the makeup remover. Then I'll take this cotton pads and remove the excess purplish so that we can cut that crease. So now I'll go in with my LA Girl concealer again, beige, and cut that crease. So I'll go ahead and take this the same palette and take this color here. It's kinda silver whitish. Then tap it in. I'll go ahead and take this palette. It's called Magic by Juvia's, and I will mix these shades. I'll mix yellow, green, and blue onto this crease, blue and purple. So let me do that. I'll start with yellow. Then a little bit of green. I'll take another brush. Then after the green, you can see I've done just a little bit of green there. Then blue, this blue shade. So I'm mixing different shades. Purple, see that? then some purple, so I'll go ahead and take this other palette which has shimmer. This one has shimmer. It's by BH Cosmetics. It has a little bit of shimmer, so what I'm going to do is just pat every color just over the color that I've done. So let me do that. You see, it adds some shimmer. I will now go ahead and do my liner, and I'll be using this gel liner, Illegal. So I just did the other eye, and now I've done my lashes off camera. That is my look now. That is my eye look. I'll proceed and do the rest of the face as you see how we rock this. So I'll be using my Black Opal foundation. I've already applied my primer, so I'll go ahead and apply my foundation. This is Black Opal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Then I'll take my Sasha Buttercup and set that in. Next, I'll take my contour palette here, and I'm going to use this shade here, this one. Same onto the other side. I'll take my blush, and this is Trendy Tap blush. Next, I'm going to take my J-Cut highlighter. Yes, this is my favorite. So that's my final look, guys. Final look. I had to do some correction just here. Yes, and now it's fine. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button over there. Love you all, guys.